guys, happy Monday. I am starting off this vlog like every other vlog. I just woke up and I made some peanut butter banana like healthy little muffin things for breakfast. But I worked over the weekend, and so I really need a recovery day today. I know it sounds maybe kind of silly, but I've been pushing myself a lot lately. Like, I worked last week a lot, and then I was off 3 days, and I went to the gym all 3 days and was busy, and then worked the weekend, and now I have 1 day off before I have to go back to work again. So I really just need to take this day to just like mentally and physically recover. I'm sore like everywhere, and I can just tell my body needs some rest and relaxation. So I'm gonna eat these little muffins, kind of just do a few little things around the house. But I have a nail appointment at noon, which I'm excited for. And then after that is my basically 30-week OB appointment. So pretty crazy that we're already to that point. So we'll go to that, and then who knows what the rest of the day will bring. What are you doing? You're so handsome. So it's been a little bit, and I got ready, and just am gonna relax on the couch for the next like hour and some change before my nail appointment, because that's what I need right now. Okay, I'm here getting my nails done, and this is the before. They're obviously way grown out, and I want them shorter, but stay tuned for the after. Okay, my nails are all done, and I love them. They're much more like my natural length, and not that I didn't like my nails before, but I really liked this lady. I'm gonna keep going to her because she did such a good job, and she was so quick. It took less than like 30 minutes, and yeah, much more my natural length and shape, and it's just the acrylic fill with gel nail polish. So I'm excited. We're on our way to my 30-week, well, almost 30-week appointment now for Callie, and he said he's gonna ultrasound me today, so I'm excited to see like how much she's, hopefully, I think he'll measure her at least and see. I don't know what he's gonna look at. He's gonna look at something, obviously, so we'll see. We're at our appointment.
Smile, cutie.
Look at
Callie.
it's hot. It's 115.
Oh yeah.
No. Okay.
Hi guys.
We're all done with our appointment. It always takes so much longer than like we I guess anticipate. I don't know, because they're always like behind every week, which is fine. But we gotta ask lots of good questions today. And he actually didn't ultrasound me. He said last time he would, but this time he didn't, which is fine because there's really no reason to, I guess. I thought maybe he was gonna measure her, but he just checked her heartbeat, and I'm measuring like 29 centimeters for my what's this called? Belly uterus. And she's head down. He could tell that she's head down, so that's pretty much it. Now we're just getting our groceries, and then gonna go home and probably get a few things done, relax, eat dinner a little bit later. Good morning, guys. So I never finished the vlog from the other day, so it is 2 days later. Going to finish the vlog today. This morning I'm starting off my morning by making some blueberry pancakes. I've been really craving blueberry pancakes for whatever reason, so bought some blueberries, got made some pancake batter, and here we are. And then I'm also going to be making a pasta salad. I've made this in previous videos before, where it's just the pasta salad, or the pasta with a bunch of different veggies. So going to be making that, so we have that for lunches this week. Okay, pasta salad is done. Made that whole thing in the same time that it took me to make 3 blueberry pancakes. So these are big, like you can see. They're a little bit smaller than the size of my hand, so I'm probably gonna eat like 1.5 of those. But now I'm craving pasta salad. The good thing we have this for lunch, and that will be my breakfast. outfit. I'm so hot from washing the dogs, but about once a month, maybe a little bit more frequent. Jeez, camera, stay up. So annoying. About once a month, maybe more frequently, I wash all of the dogs' toys. All right, I'm over this. Stay. I don't even know if this is gonna be in clip because they just get gross. They chew on them. There we go. Camera. They chew on them, they take them outside, and they get gross. And it's funny because they actually, well, not they, Blue takes all his toys and over the course of the couple weeks brings them all outside. So they're all like just gross and yucky, and yeah, so we're gonna wash these. And I already put soap in there. And I'm sorry, but you won't have your toys for a little while. We did leave one out. Where's your conch? Where's your conch? Come on. Let's go find your conch. Where is it? It's like, what are we doing, Mom? What is this? I left this one out for you. Here's your conch. There you go. Oh, okay. He's like, actually, I just want attention. And then Ivie's pouting. Are you pouting? Yeah, because you got a bath. And all clean. Say, my mom takes care of me. My mom does all the hard work. She bathes me and cleans my ears and brushes my teeth and trims my nails. She gives me a bath. She brushes me. But Dad's my favorite because he does all the fun stuff. Mom does all of the mean stuff to me. Sorry, but you're so cute. See, look how happy you are. Even though you're pouting. Every time I come towards her, she like runs on the bed because she thinks I'm gonna do something else. But now you're all clean. Look how clean you are. So I am gonna be recording a second trimester must-haves video. So go subscribe to my personal channel. Yeah, we got a cute little pup there. So that way you can see my second trimester must-haves. So I have been told in what I read that you can hear your baby's heartbeat with a stethoscope, usually a little bit later on, but I'm actually curious because I've tried a little bit, but not like seriously tried. And so I want to see if I can hear her heartbeat with the my stethoscope. I don't know. I can't hear anything. I would have to get like my Doppler out to see like exactly where her heart is located right now, or like the general vicinity of it. But she's been head down, so mostly like when they've done the Doppler on me at the office, her head has been like low. But I couldn't hear anything, and it could just be her position or whatever. But I could hear her moving. I could hear when she would move and stuff, but I can't hear her heartbeat. Anyways, guys, sorry, I just put a mint in my mouth. I shouldn't have done that. I'm going to end this video because I just want to get it edited, and I think it's kind of long, so I don't know how long it is. But I'm gonna end this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you're subscribed, and I'll see you in our next video. Bye.